Okay guys, what's for dinner? Swedish meatballs. My way. You'll need 2 of these Alfredo. Breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, real shredded Parmesan, minced onion, which I've already done in the water, a pound of lean ground beef, a 1/3 cup of milk, and an egg. And then you'll need milk and butter for the Alfredo, but let's get on with the meatballs first. Meet my husband John, a traveling healthcare professional, and me, Shelly, his wife, and full-time vlogger, and our adorable chihuahua, Mr. Tiggs. Follow our crazy life as we travel through different cities and states, just trying to find our forever home. Okie doke. Alright, let's get busy. So, I'm gonna mix together all my ingredients, and then I'm gonna add my meat. Because then, if not, you end up with it all in different quantities throughout the meat. So we got our egg, doing a 1/3 cup of milk. You can see that. My Parmesan. It's about a 1/3 cup. My onions. Some pepper. Some salt. And I'm going to take out my rings. And then I need 3/4 of a cup I just gonna do about that much of breadcrumbs. Alright, let's mix this up. Get that egg all beaten up. All right. So, there you go. Now you can wear gloves if you want, but make sure you scrub your hands before and after handling the meat. Yuck. Can't stand touching meat. This is the only time that I will, is for meatballs. There's no other way to do them. Everybody makes their meatballs different. I make them different pretty much every other time. So there you go. No right and wrong way. You can bake them, you can fry them. I'm gonna bake mine at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. And you can bake them another 10 to 15 minutes longer if you want them crispy, which I don't. All right, it's pretty mixed up. Everything looks even. So we're gonna take like 1 inch, about 1 inch balls. These little ones. I should just make one, or it'll burn. I can add, ooh, that's a beast. All right. Let's put these in the oven for 25 minutes. Okay, so in my pan, I followed the directions, and since I'm doing 2 packages, I just doubled everything that was on here. So I have 3 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, and I need 2 tablespoons of butter, which I'm gonna cut into pieces to make it easier to melt. Whoops. I'll cut them into little squares and they'll melt much quicker. Now we're gonna bring this to a boil. All right, I'll come back when that comes to a boil. I'm gonna stir this so the milk doesn't burn. It's heating up. All right, we got a boil. I'm gonna get everything mixed in, and then I'm gonna turn the heat down to a medium boil. Trying to darken that. There, that's better. Keep doing a high contrast. All right. Yummy. Chef. Wow, those are hot. And I'll save some for tomorrow. Put a couple more in there. All right, we're gonna let those sit in there and thicken up, and I'll show you the end result. Butter up a piece of Italian bread. Voila.